Well, my name is Charles Strickland. I'm a Senior Director for Local Government at the Queensland Audit Office. I have responsibility for delivering the local government audit program for all 77 local governments and their controlled entities, and I also play a role on our financial audits for our hospital and health services. This year's Asset Management Symposium, I'll be talking about working smarter, capturing the lessons from the past, using data to improve asset management and greater coordination within entities to achieve results. There are many key issues facing the public works sector in Queensland. As external financial auditors, we see sustainable management of assets as being a very important issue for the public sector. Many below-ground assets are approaching the end of their useful lives, or entities don't really understand when that date will be. Added complexity are what the community actually need and can afford. Many councils are facing population declines, and this presents a challenge to financially meet the community's expectations, whereas other councils are dealing with massive growth in populations. This presents different challenges as the whole LGA grows to accommodate the increasing population. The ongoing funding of maintenance, renewal, replacement and upgrades is a struggle for many organisations. This is putting pressure on when and to what extent asset management is undertaken efficiently and effectively. I hope delegates take away a lot of learnings they can apply in their own organisation to help their teams improve their asset management capabilities. I hope delegates will fill in some knowledge gaps and are in a better position to break down silos across their organisation. And lastly, I hope they build some great networks to continue the conversation after the conference is finished. It's really important to bring asset management professionals together to share ideas and discuss what works well and what doesn't. Events like this help create strong professional relationships, which in turn can lead to quicker solutions, greater innovation, and better outcomes for our stakeholders.